Yes, Daddy. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Someone's above us. Oh, it's this guy. Okay, his buddy.
They bought him.
He's hit. He's broke up here. Oh my God! And he doesn't die.
That's fucking stupid.
Yep.
Cover.
Oh, that guy just got
Ooh.
knocked.
He's right there. He's selfieing.
No, he's not.
Oh!
Still have my mind over the table there.
Downed one right here.
Right here.
I hear Syntexes.
It's me.
Okay.
Can you help pin this guy right here?
Fuck. 9. I'm getting the elevator up here.
You did what now?
Calling the elevator up. This
Ooh,
fucking
down this bitch right here.
billboard.
Worse than Jammeth.
Nice, you fucker. You waited for that. Enjoy the gas, fucker. Ha! Got it back. He's down here.
Now it's a ghost town.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men.
For the living. 1800.
Got gas inbound.
Who has a name Dodge Caravan? What the hell is that?
It's a reliable screening for the entire family.
Yeah.
It won J.D. Power Associates Award of Car of the Year in 1992.
Why do you know that?
I'm just BSing.
Oh, I was like, my God, like, why?
So what is this dumb thing? That's for
One of those
somebody, right?
mystery things, yes.
Hey, what now?
This little, squirrel. Fuck. I lost a train of thought. What were we talking
There's a
about?
squirrel there?
Oh, okay.
We're going shopping.
I want to go shopping. Me too. Wait. There's one.
10 days. I'm like, I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do with all this shit.
Oh, shit, man.
Behind?
Yep.
On the bridge.
They're up. Yeah. Yeah. Can you go and not stop? Go to the buy station. My God, you're a great driver.
Hopefully you don't drive the fire truck.
Well,
We saved 5 people, but we ran over 10.
one on the hill?
Ooh. Well, I'm gonna go investigate this little guy over here. Wait, it's coming through the mountain.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Alright, buy station. Nope, there's someone close. I just got shot at.
Oh, I can't put this thing in reverse.
Where are they? Okay.
I'm gonna take fault on this one, guys.
As you should. Oh my living. Where's the last guy?
I don't know.
I think we got them all.
No, we got another team.
Where?
On the other side of the bridge.
Can someone come grab me, please?
I'm working on it. Just stop moving.
I stopped.
I'll say,
right here.
I'll say, but you were heading towards them originally, so. Alright. Whereabouts are they?
Oh, I'm getting shot from behind.
Got him.
Thank you.
Got one of them.
Dropping.
Help, living!
Dropping this.
Need help.
What? How? I'm under the freaking bridge. This stupid game. This stupid game.
I'm coming.
Well, I'd killed one of them.
Fuck.
You might as well go. Just go. This dumb game. You better run.
It's only a 1v2. I think.
Not no more.
Out of,
Team wipe.
out of boy. You saw a guy right in front of you
What?
in that building.
No. Oh shit!
How'd you not see him?
I was looking on my mini map where the fuck that thing was at. I've never used this in my life. Ah! That oh.
It's a camera.
Oh!
Fuck.
I'm so fucked.
Hello, everybody.
I can't be your friend.
Do we want to be friends? Because I just came back from Gulag.
Oh, yeah. Do you have any money?
I have $300.
I just need 100, big dog. If you come out on the road here, drop me just 100, then I'll let you go.
Which road are we talking? Out there? Okay, I think.
Towards water. Yeah, towards water.
They're gonna kill you.
Probably.
I'm just gonna shoot once so you can hear.
This is me.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Just need 100. Have any of your teammates bought back?
Negative. Aw. Okay, I get it.
That was quite the crotch
I couldn't.
shot.
I couldn't drop any money again.
Get them on the shelf here that Rick misses.
Armor Central here.
Thank you.
I think I'm gonna grab it for Raider.
What have them?
Raider, I got you a gift.
You took it from him? Let him have it.
Thank you.
I don't get it again. You gotta be quicker. Oh, I want to take this police car. Like, look at me, I'm Shane.
Helicopter crashing?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yes, daddy.
Chest somewhere?
Oh shit, stronghold. Fuck. Do we risk it?
Fuck yeah, we do!
Alright, I'm game.
Enemy
Hey,
UAV
said, oh, there's friendlies here.
It just got
Or
cleared.
friendlies.
I was gonna say, are you sure they're friendly? Cool, well, I'm going in.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Oh shit.
Fuck me!
That's yours. Right above us.
Yeah, I backed out a little bit. They're where?
They're about here. I shocked them and threw thermite on them. Broken.
Cracked one. I downed the other guy. Where's...
I don't know. Whoa!
Here. Oh, say hi. Never mind.
Where the fuck did I down that guy at?
I don't
That
know.
sucked.
I didn't even pay attention, honestly. Sorry.
I know.
Shut up. Thank you.
Mhm.
I'm outside. I want to push ahead, see if I can see anything. Yep. Right here.
Where, Raider?
He's below me. In the smoke.
Right there.
Yes,
I had one bullet. Oh my god, I almost fucked you. Alright, I'm going! Stop yelling at me!
I wasn't. I was just excited because opportunity.